A very good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome to physics class. Children, as you know that we were doing the chapter Fun with Magnets. Okay. And you are clear with what are the different properties of magnet. So we have seen different properties of magnet as the magnets has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole attract each other, that is unlike poles attract each other, and like poles repel each other, or there is a repulsion between the two poles. So if we face South Pole and South Pole together, so it will repel. If we are putting a North Pole together, again it will repel. But if one magnet is having a South Pole and another magnet is having a North Pole, it will attract. Okay? And the force of attraction and repulsion is called, children, it is called magnetic force. Okay, so I think it is clear. We have also discussed all these things in our Zoom class, Zoom revisional class. So I hope all the concept of magnet is clear to you. Now children, today we are going to talk about few very interesting topics. That is, first we will see that why the magnet when suspended freely always face in north and south direction. Okay, so first is this that we are going to study. Then we'll talk about magnetic compass. Then we will see that how we can make magnet. Children, you will be very amazed to know that we can make magnet. Even you can do it at your home also, or we can do it at the laboratory. Okay, so this also we will see how we can make a new magnet. Okay, so there are different methods to do it. So let's quickly start with the first very interesting topic, that is when a magnet is suspended freely. I hope now you are pretty much clear about when we are suspending it freely. So when a bar magnet is suspended freely, it always faces north and south direction. So what is the reason behind it? Children, we know that Earth exerts a gravitational force, isn't it? Earth exerts certain gravitational force. That is why the thing which, like if we throw a ball above, it will automatically come down. We are forced from the ground. That is why we are standing on the surface of Earth. Everything is just lying on the surface of Earth because of the gravitational force. Okay, so that gravitational force is also a type of force of attraction. Okay, now children, our Earth itself act as a very giant magnet. Okay, now our Earth also has two poles, South Pole and North Pole. Okay, so if you have ever, like everybody has seen the figure of a Earth, so the peak of the Earth where ice caps are there, so they are called the poles of Earth. Okay, so we have North Pole and we have South Pole. Okay, I'll quickly show it to you. So as you can see in this figure, children, as you can see in this figure, this is a Earth. Let me change the pencil. So this is complete Earth, and we can clearly see this is a Earth. Alright. So we can clearly see at the poles here. The poles. It is North Pole, and this pole of Earth is a South Pole. Okay. Above we have a North Pole and below we have a South Pole of the Earth. Now these poles of the Earth are called geographical poles. They are called geographical poles. The poles of Earth are called geographical poles. Okay. Now we know that opposite poles attract each other. Okay. So because the Earth is having because the earth is having two poles, north pole and a south pole. If we are suspending the magnet, if we are suspending the magnet freely, so it also shows certain attraction force, and that is why towards the north pole of earth, that is geographical north pole, the south pole of magnet will be faced. Okay, so this is the south pole of magnet. So the poles of magnets are called magnetic poles. They are called magnetic poles. Okay, so magnet is also having south and north pole, and earth is also having a north and a south pole. So जिस तरफ अर्थ का नॉर्थ पोल होगा, उस तरफ मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल होगा, और जिस तरफ अर्थ का साउथ पोल होगा, उस तरफ मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल होगा. Okay, that is why whenever we are suspending the magnet or a bar magnet freely, it always face in north and south direction. Okay, because of the geographical attraction or because of the geographical poles. So children, these poles on the earth, the two poles, also have certain geographical attraction. Okay, these poles also have certain attraction force. Okay, so that is why whenever we are suspending the magnet freely, then it always faced opposite to the face of geographical poles. So I think you are clear with geographical and magnetic pole. Geographical pole is the poles of earth, and magnetic force are the poles of magnet. Okay, and they lie just opposite to each other. Clear? So this is why whenever we are suspending the magnet freely, it always face north and south direction. Okay, children, now taking this application in mind, scientist has developed certain devices. Okay, earlier what used to happen, when the sailor used to sail the boat or they go to a ship, or जब उनको पानी में जब वो जाते थे, sea and ocean, they could not find the direction. Okay, that time few scientists have discovered a instrument called magnetic compass. Okay, so what is this magnetic compass? It works on the same principle of facing of magnet towards north and south direction. So what used to happen, in a magnetic compass there was a needle. Okay, there used to be a needle which always faces north and south direction. तो इनसे क्या होता था कि जो सेलर होते थे, जो शिप चला रहे हैं और सेल चला रहे हैं, दे यूज टू गेट द डायरेक्शन. उनको डायरेक्शन पता चलती थी कि इन विच डायरेक्शन दे आर मूविंग, और even they came to know that in which direction the wind is blowing. Clear? So they will just move opposite to it. So similarly, they require a direction because they cannot see all the time. Even at the night, they cannot see the direction. So this compass, this magnetic compass, was very useful. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the chapter. Let's see what is written in the chapter. Okay, so I think children, you have done this table. This was your homework. We have also done this. Now let's talk about Earth's magnetism. So why does a freely suspended magnet always come to rest in north and south direction? Because Earth itself behaves as a huge bar magnet with its magnetic pole near the geographical pole. So this is a bit confusing. So I'll show you again. So here we have this is a magnetic south pole. So if this is magnetic south pole, it will be geographical north pole. And if it is magnetic north pole, so according to geography, it will be geographical south pole. So that is why they are standing opposite. Okay, so let's see here. Geographical north and south pole. The south pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical north pole. South pole किसके पास है? North pole के पास है. Whereas north pole किसके पास है? South pole के पास है. So they will face opposite to each other. So in a freely suspended magnet, therefore, the north pole points towards the geographical north pole since it is attracted by the Earth's magnetic south pole. So the same way, it always faces north and south direction in such a way. Okay. Now let's see the magnetic compass. So this is the instrument that is required for sailors. Okay. Though now generally we don't use it because we have discovered various instruments to see the direction. So magnets was first used as a compasses for showing the directions. A compass consists of magnetized needle pivoted at a point so that it is free to rotate about that point. So the same way, this is the center. Here you can see North Pole is written and you can see South Pole is written. We have East and we have West. Okay. So जैसे जैसे हम मैग्नेटिक कंपास को आगे लेके जाएंगे, जैसे जैसे डायरेक्शन चेंज होगा, वैसे वैसे ये मैग्नेटिक कंपास भी क्या करेगा? डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा. इट विल शो द डिफ्लेक्शन, मतलब नीडल क्या होगी? डिफ्लेक्ट होगी. ओके, सो दिस मैग्नेटिक कंपास इट यूजेस अ मैग्नेट टू सी द डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो इट इज यूज्ड फॉर सेलर्स. Now children, let's quickly see the oral question. Let's discuss the oral question and then I'll send you this oral question in the school app. So you can go do it from there. But let's discuss it first. Okay, question number 1. Children, please take out your pencil and if you can write it down right now in your book itself. You will write it here only. Question number 1. All conductors of electricity are magnetic substance. Do you agree? Justify your answer with example. So the question is saying कि जितने भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कंडक्टर्स हैं क्या वो मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस होते हैं? नो, दे आर नॉट मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गोल्ड, सिल्वर, कॉपर. They are good conductors of electricity, but they are not showing a magnetic behavior. So answer is no. For example, gold, silver and copper, though they are the conductors of electricity, but they don't show a magnetic behavior. Okay. Now let's come to question number 2. Do all parts of magnet have equal magnetic strength? Justify your answer with reference to a bar magnet and a horseshoe magnet. So, children, we know that the magnetic strength मतलब to attract the iron or a magnetic substance, उस bar magnet की strength कैसी है? So, we know that whenever if it is a bar magnet and this is a horseshoe magnet, so we know that if we keep an iron nail in around these magnets, so they will get attracted towards the pole, isn't it? Here also they will get attracted towards the polar region. Getting it? So that is why here in the polar region. So that is why we can say that the complete magnet is not having the equal magnetic strength. So answer is, do all parts of magnet have an equal magnetic strength? Answer is no. Okay, what is the reason? Because the iron nail gets attracted towards the poles of bar magnet as well as poles of horseshoe magnet. Okay. So this is the answer to question number 2. I'll send you the answer, children. Don't worry. Question number 3. A freely suspended magnet comes to rest in the north and south direction. Why is that so? So we have just now discussed that because of the geographical magnetic or geographical north and south pole, the magnet always rests as south and or north and south direction. Okay. Question number 4. If you break a magnet into 10 pieces, how many north and how many south poles would there be in all? So children, we know that even if we break the magnet into 1,000 pieces, the poles will not get separated. Poles cannot get separated. So जितने pieces हम करेंगे उतने north pole और उतने ही south pole होंगे. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer will be, there will be 10 north pole, 10 north pole and 10 south pole. Okay. We are cutting it into 10 pieces. So it will have 10 north pole and 10 south pole. Clear? Now question number 5. One end of an iron bar is attracted and the other end is repelled by the north pole of a bar magnet. Getting it? One end of the iron bar is attracted and the other end is repelled by the north pole of the bar magnet. Can you definitely say that iron bar is a magnet? If both ends are attracted by the north pole, what would you have, like, what would be your conclusion? So children, this is the way to test whether the substance is a magnet or not. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं that if we take a bar magnet और एक आयरन नेल ले लें, हम आयरन बार ले लें हम, तो अगर हम नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं तो उसको या अट्रैक्ट करें या रिपेल करें. कंसिडर वो अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है और फिर जब हम उसको साउथ पोल की तरफ ले जाएं तो उसको रिपेल करना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो अगर ऐसी कंडीशन है तो यस, दैट आयरन बार इज अ मैग्नेट. So yes, iron bar is a magnet, but if the both ends will be attracted by the North Pole, then it is not a magnet. It will only act as a iron bar. Clear? अगर कोई भी substance magnet है तो उसके एक साइड को अट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए, दूसरे साइड को रिपेल करना चाहिए. अगर दोनों साइड अट्रैक्ट कर रही है तो it is not a magnet. Clear? So these are the answers. I'll send you the answers in the app. So after the class, please go through the e-content and find the answers there. And you will write the complete answers here, children. Now, children, coming to the very interesting topic of this chapter, that is making magnet. How we can make a magnet. So, children, this is a bit tedious thing, but we can do it. So, to make a magnet, there are two methods. First, we have a single touch method, and second is by using the electrical current. So, what is a single touch method? We'll see. So what we have to do, children, so to make a magnet for a single touch condition, what we have to do is, we have to first take a iron bar. Consider this phone to be an iron bar. Okay, so this is an iron bar. Clear? Now what we have to do, this is a magnet. Consider this as a magnet. This is the north pole of the magnet and this is the south pole of the magnet. Okay. So because I don't have the magnets, that is why I'm just demonstrating it like this. So what you have to do, you have to tap it at one end and just move it in the same direction. Again, tap and move. Tap and move. Tap and move. You have to do it for 30 times. Okay. You will do it for at least 30 times. Okay. Tap and run. Tap and run. What you can do, what you don't have to do is, you cannot turn the side. आप अगर एक बार नॉर्थ पोल से कर रहे हो तो आप उसको साउथ पे कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. एक ही साइड से एक बार में ऐसे करोगे, फिर ऐसे करोगे. ऐसे भी नहीं कर सकते कि एक बार इधर किया फिर इधर किया फिर इधर किया फिर इधर किया. नो. Okay, so what is the technique? Tap and run, tap and run, tap and run. You have to do it for 30 times. Okay, and then what you will do, you will take this iron bar and you will try to attract it with the magnet. Okay, अगर वो attraction और repulsion की process show कर रहा है, so now your iron bar has become a magnet. Okay, so I'll show it to you again. So just see what you have to do. Place an iron needle on a bar on a table or a bar on a table. तो आपने ये क्या लिया है? This is an iron needle. देख रहे हो? This is an iron needle. Okay. Then hold it down firmly and stroke it about 30 times. तो आपने ये magnet लिया. You will just stroke it and run. Then stroke, then run. Okay. Now you have to do it for 30 times. From one end to the other with one pole of the bar magnet. Only one pole you can use. Okay. Either use north, either use south. लेकिन एक ही पोल यूज करोगे. Okay. After you reach the other end, lift the magnet high and then bring it back to the first end. आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि उसको ड्रैग कर रहे हो. You don't have to drag it. You will take it to the one end, lift it up, then again take it to the first end, then till the end, then again put it and again just repeat this till 30 times. Now test the needle to see if it becomes a magnet. Suspend it freely to see whether the end becomes north and south pole. Okay, so this is the technique. This is called single touch method. Though now we don't generally use it because it is very tedious job, so we generally don't use it now. Now the technique that is used is electrical current technique. Okay, this you will study in children higher classes and it is not in your syllabus now. So now we use a electrical current technique to magnetize something. अगर हम किसी आयरन बार को मैग्नेट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं मैग्नेटाइजेशन. क्या बोलते हैं? मैग्नेटाइजेशन. ठीक है, अगर हम किसी भी आयरन बार को मैग्नेट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं सो वी से इट एज मैग्नेटाइजेशन. ठीक है, नाउ देयर इज अ मेथड कॉल्ड डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि अगर कोई मैग्नेट अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को लूज कर दे. ठीक है, तो वो कैसे लूज करते हैं? या तो मैग्नेट है कहीं गिर जाए तो वो क्या करेगा? अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को लूज कर देगा. या कोई मैग्नेट है जो हमने बहुत काफी टाइम से हम यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो भी धीरे धीरे अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी लूज कर देगा. और इफ वी हैमर द मैग्नेट और हम उसको फ्लैट बना दें या हम उसको पीसेस बहुत सारे पीसेस में कन्वर्ट कर दें सो इट विल अगेन लूज इट्स मैग्नेटिज्म. ओके, or if we heat it to a very high temperature then also it will become liquid and it will lose its magnetism. So when the magnet loses its magnetism, या फिर जैसे कि ये मैग्नेट है. ठीक है, अब क्या है कि अगर हम इससे आयरन नेल अट्रैक्ट कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो ये अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. ठीक है, या हम इसमें से किसको किसी पे स्टिक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो वो स्टिक नहीं कर रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये डीमैग्नेटाइज हो गया है. इसमें मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी या मैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर नहीं है. दिस इज कॉल्ड डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. ओके, नाउ टू अवॉइड द डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन, हम डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन ना हो तो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? So if we have to keep certain magnets for a very long time, okay, तो क्या होता है अगर आप बहुत टाइम तक किसी मैग्नेट को रखे हो तो वो अपने आप अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी लूज कर देता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. खुद अपनी, ना हमने उसको गिराया, ना हमने उसको हैमर किया, ना हमने उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ाया, वो बस रखा हुआ है फॉर मेनी टाइम्स. ठीक है, बहुत सालों तक वो रखा हुआ है तो वो अपने आप अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी को लूज कर देगा. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ डीमैग्नेटाइजेशन. ओके, सो टू अवॉइड इट व्हाट वी कैन डू इट, वी कैन कीप इट सेफली बाय यूजिंग अ कीपर. कीपर क्या होता है? So a piece of iron, so to avoid this, bar magnets are kept in a pair of separated pieces of wood with unlike poles alongside each other. Piece of iron called keeper are placed across both ends. Okay, so just have a look. How we can store the magnet so that it does not get self demagnetize. ये मैग्नेट है और ये मैग्नेट है. ये मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल है, ठीक है, और ये मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल है. ये साउथ पोल है और ये नॉर्थ पोल है, ठीक है. इसके बीच में हमने लगा दिया है वुड, लकड़ी. क्यों लकड़ी लगाया है? क्योंकि वी नो दैट वुड इज अ नॉन मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस. वुड क्या है? वुड इज अ नॉन मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस. तो इसलिए हमने बीच में क्या लगा दिया? वुड लगा दिया. और साइड साइड में टू कीप इट इंटैक्ट, ताकि वो इंटैक्ट रहे. अगर हमने ऐसे ही मैग्नेट लगा दिया विदाउट यूजिंग द कीपर तो क्या होगा? वो अलग अलग हो जाएंगे, ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, विल कीप अ कीपर. कीपर क्या होता है? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ आयरन, so that it attached or it stick to the two magnets and keep it intact. Okay, and for the horseshoe magnet what we do, we only put a keeper to the ends. हम क्या करते हैं? horseshoe magnet को keeper पे attach कर देते हैं so that nothing else can get attracted to these two poles. So this is the technique to store a magnet for, so that the magnet does not get self demagnetize. Clear? So this is how we can store a magnet, both the magnets, bar magnet and horseshoe magnet. Okay, now children, we have also observed sometime that कि अगर ये magnet है और अगर हम उसको, let's take for example, so if this is a magnet, ठीक है, अगर हम कोई भी चीज इसके इतने पास लेके आ रहे हैं तो वो अट्रैक्ट कर जाएगा. लेकिन अगर हम उसको धीरे 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 दूर ले जाएंगे, सो नो अट्रैक्शन और नो रिपल्शन विल बी observed. We cannot feel any attraction, we cannot feel any repulsion. अगर हम उसको थोड़ा दूर ले जाते हैं, अगर हम इसको पास में लेके आ रहे हैं तो we can feel the attraction or repulsion. ठीक है. तो why it happens? Because if this is a magnet, it creates a field around itself. It creates an aura around itself. That is called magnetic field. इसकी अपनी एक जगह है जहां तक ये मैग्नेटिक बिहेवियर या मैग्नेटिक फोर्स शो करेगा. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. उतने एरिया में अगर कोई भी मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस आ रहा है या आयरन आ रहा है तो वो अट्रैक्शन फोर्स या रिपल्शन फोर्स शो करेगा. लेकिन अगर उसको आप दूर दूर रख दो, यहाँ पे है, आपने यहाँ पे कोई आयरन नेल रखा है या बहुत दूर रखा है, तो देयर विल बी नो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बी फील्ड. ओके, तो जब हम वो फील ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, so there is no magnetic field around that magnet. So such area till where we can feel the attraction or a repulsion force or a magnetic force, such area around a magnet is called magnetic field. Okay, what it is called? It is called magnetic field. Okay, so let's see. We have seen the magnetic force acts from a distance. Obviously, there must be some influence of a magnet passing through the space. ठीक है, अगर ये मैग्नेट है तो इसके आसपास कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ बिहेवियर तो शो कर रहा होगा. This can be verified by placing the compass needle near the magnet. So that as I have shown you, अगर आप कोई चीज लेके आ रहे हो, कंपास लेके आ रहे हो, अगर आपने उसके पास मैग्नेट लेके आए तो उसमें डिफ्लेक्शन शो करेगा. दूर पे रखोगे कोई डिफ्लेक्शन नहीं शो करेगा. सो दैट कंप्लीट एरिया इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जैसे जैसे आप दूर लेते जाओगे वैसे वैसे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कम होती जाएगी. ओके, सो वीकर एंड वीकर एज द डिस्टेंस इंक्रीजेस. क्लियर? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड, this region is called magnetic field of the magnet. Clear? Now let's see uses of magnet. Where we use magnet? We use magnets in refrigerator, door stickers. और जब हम रेफ्रिजरेटर का डोर क्लोज या ओपन करते हैं तो देखो कि आप थोड़ा पास लेके जाओगे वो अपने आप चिपक जाता है. So because it is having a It has a magnetic behavior. Okay, in electric motors used in fans में जो electric motor use होता है, it also contains a magnet. Bicycle, automobiles, dynamos also contains magnet. Speaker, microphones, picture tubes, television, computer monitor, everything is containing a magnet. So all the instruments that are attached behind it are attached by the magnets. In audio and video tapes, computer hard disks are to store information. They also contains magnet. See, hard disk, they also show certain magnetic behavior. Even the ATM card, the number that are written on the ATM card, okay, or that also has a magnetic substance, okay, which can, when you enter it inside the magnet, तो ये stick कर जाता है और फटाक से नंबर को रीड कर लेता है, ठीक है? For picking up the iron piece from the base, then also we use a magnet. So children, that was about this chapter. So we have completed the explanation of the chapter, children. Okay. So we have completed the explanation of the chapter. Please go through the chapter, read the chapter. Children, today I'll send you both the oral question answers as well as I'll also send you choose the most appropriate answer. Okay. So do this in your book itself. Do both the things in your book. Clear? So complete your work. Okay. Complete that exercise also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope you have understood it. Hope you have learned something. So keep on learning, children. Keep on reading the chapter and keep on preparing for your exams. So all the best to each and everyone. Thank you and Jai Hind, children.